Welcome. Today, we're diving into a critical topic for home safety: electrical circuit protection. You've probably heard of GFCI and AFCI breakers, but what's the difference? And why are modern electrical codes pushing for a new standard? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the GFCI or ground fault circuit interrupter. Think of GFCI as people protection. Next up is the AFCI or arc fault circuit interrupter. Think of AFCI as property protection. So, one protects from shock, the other from fire. This brings us to the dual-function breaker. As the name suggests, it combines both GFCI and AFCI technology into a single device. In summary, GFCI protects people from shock, AFCI protects your home from fire, and the dual-function breaker does both, making it the new gold standard for home electrical safety.